students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe. Welcome back to the class. The topic for today is modes and types of an operating system. First is about modes of operating system. There are different approaches or modes by which an operating system performs tasks. In that, there are three types: batch processing, multiprogramming, and multiprocessing. In that, first is about batch processing. In this, the user have no direct control. User will input the job. First, these jobs are read and they are grouped according to long and short jobs. These jobs are executed automatically one after other. These batch are loaded in primary memory. It becomes ready for processor. When processor is available, the selected job are loaded in memory for execution. In this, only one job could engage the processor at a time. If any input-output operation takes place, then the processor has to wait till the completion of input-output operation. In batch processing, jobs are scheduled in the order of their arrival, like first come, first serve. Look at the diagram. Here, the user will input the job. First, these jobs are read and they are grouped according to short and long job like a batch. In the batch 1, the first job will receive input and output. If job 1 is busy in input-output operation, CPU need to wait till the completion of that process. All other left out jobs need to wait till the completion of the whole process. Here are some of the disadvantages. In that, first one, once the process begins, the execution of jobs automatically takes place one after the other, means the user have no direct control. Next, CPU time and memory are underutilized. Here, CPU need to wait till the completion of input-output operation. Next one is, it is time consuming. Obviously, the batch processing is a time consuming process. Why? Because job 1 need to complete the whole process, then only job 2 can perform input-output operation. Second one is about multiprogramming. Multiprogramming means executing more than one program. When one program is waiting for input-output transfer, there is another program ready to utilize the CPU. It is possible for several users to share the execution of the CPU. For example, if program A is not utilizing CPU and is busy in input-output operation, then the program B will utilize the CPU. Meanwhile, program C is waiting for CPU time. Look at the diagram. Here, job A to job F were there. In that job A is doing input-output operation. Next to the job A is job B. It is busy with the CPU timing. Left out job from C to F are waiting for the CPU. Multiprogramming operating system technique execute a part of one program first, then a part of another, and so on. However, for the user, it appears as if all the programs are being executed at the same time. The technique of multiprogramming can be performed in two different ways. First one, time sharing. Second one, real-time processing. Let us see what is the meaning of time sharing. In time sharing methods, the CPU time is divided into equal time slots. These slots are assigned to all the users connected to the system. The user can use the system only for the specified time slot. If the user can't finish his work within a given time slot, then they have to wait till the completion of the whole process. Means equal time will be given for all the jobs. They need to complete the work within a given time. Look at the diagram. Here are some of the users from user 1 to user 6, means jobs. 6 jobs were there. Here user 5 is utilizing the CPU timing. User 6 is active link. All other user 1 to 4 are waiting for the CPU timings. The second technique is real-time processing, a system in which a transaction access and updating of the file is done immediately is called real-time processing. Here in a real-time processing, they will concentrate on a single job particularly. They need to complete the whole task properly, then only it will come for the second job. In this process, the job is given very high priority to take further action, leaving all other jobs. For example, you are executing a program which requires 8 seconds for its completion, but the allotted time slot is 7 seconds. In such circumstance, 1 second will be extended and then the control will shift to the another program. Means minimum seconds will be extended to complete the whole task. Third type of mode is multiprocessing. Multiprocessing refers to a computer system's ability to support more than a one program or more than a one process at the same time. It provides the facility to work with the number of users simultaneously. In this multiprocessing, no time limit will be there. Look at the diagram. Here, main memory is controlling both the programs, means CPU 1 and CPU 2, and also the input-output process both the side. Means here more than a one program is executing same time without a time limit. Next topic is about types of operating system. In operating system, there are two types: single user operating system and multi-user operating system. In single user operating system, there are two types: single user single task, second one single user multitask. Let us see the meaning of single user operating system. It supports only one user at any point of time and only a particular job or program is loaded in a memory for execution. Example, MS-DOS. Meaning of single user operating system is only a one user can work with a particular job, means with a single job. It can be further categorized as single user single task. It is designed to manage the computer so that one user can do one thing at a time. MS-DOS is a single user, single task operating system. The desktop or a personal computer with MS-DOS is a best example. Means one user can perform a single task. Second one is about single user multitasking. Means nowadays we are using Windows and all. In that only one user can perform more than a one task at a same time. Microsoft Windows and Apple Mac operating system are good examples of operating system that let a single user operate several programs at the same time. Second type of operating system is multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system allows more than one user to interact with the computer at a time, and each user works on a different set of program and data. Here, programs and data of more than one user are loaded in the memory and processed by the operating system. Means there is a central computer that acts as a server and all other computers are connected to the server with the help of terminals. Look at the diagram. Here, file server will act as a main server. It will control that 4 clients. Means multi-user operating system means it will allow more than one user to interact with the main server and with a different data items or different set of programs. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.